Looking for stair lighting solutions? How do I best illuminate my indoor stairs? There is no one right way to light staircases. It very much depends on design, construction, and desired look and feel. There are different options you can choose from. The lighting for the steps. The lighting for the walls. The lighting for the handrail. 1. Linear step lights. A thin strip of LEDs can be recessed into the wall in aluminum or silicone channels. The resulting effect can be soft, glare-free illumination on the stair treads, just where you need it most. 2. Tread lights. Concealing linear lighting within each individual tread may be the most beautiful and functional of all stair lighting techniques. Lighting is often concealed in the nosing of each stair. 3. Illuminated handrails. Illuminated handrails are also great outdoors around decks, porches, and stairs and can be integrated into many different design styles. Already decided on what your stairway lighting will be? Stair lighting animation is the most advanced way of decorative stair lighting. Our automatic stair lights controllers are the best way to light up your stairway. Improve the look and safety of your stairs. They light on step by step, and behind you they will fade off. Each model of our controllers are designed to make the installation as easy as it is possible.